Good day, sir. This is a report about Philippine tourism, geography, and culture, Region 3, Central Luzon. Central Luzon, designated as Region 3, is an administrative region in the Philippines, primarily serving to organize as 7 provinces in the vast central plains of the island of Luzon for administrative convenience. First province is Province of Aurora. Aurora is a central province of Central Luzon region in the Philippines. It is known about the province due to its surfing scene, and the province has one of the largest expanses of rainforest spared from development, and also has hidden beaches and mountains. Tourist attraction. Sabang Beach is one of the best places to surf in Aurora. Second tourist attractions, Ditumabo Mother Falls is a hidden gem located in Barangay Ditumabo, San Luis, Aurora. It provides a stress-relieving view and one-of-a-kind swimming experience for visitors and nature lovers. Third tourist attraction is Dingalan. It's a town in Aurora known as the Batanes of the East. It has landscapes that mimic the rolling hills of the blue waters of the island of Batanes. Festival in Aurora. The town of Aurora proudly celebrates arts and cultures and acknowledges its integral role in fostering community engagement and civic pride. First is Soman Festival. The celebration includes a parade of unique design floats, trade exhibit fairs, and competitions. Second festival is Sabutan Festival. The Sabutan Festival is the town of San Luis Province of Aurora highlights the importance of growing palm tree called Sabutan and the community economic well-being. Aurora Delicacies. Suman. The second province of Region 3 is Bataan. Bataan is rich in natural wonders such as stunning beaches, majestic mountain, and grandiose waterfalls. The local tourism and government offices effort the preserve of the natural ecosystem of Bataan has made it into a rising ecotourism destination. The first tourist attraction is Mount Native. Is becoming more popular mountain climbing destination in Bataan. Second is Playa La Caleta. It's one of the best tourist spot in Bataan. Hidden cove with pristine gray sand beaches and aluminum crystal clear water. The second is Casas Filipinas de Alcazar. Is one of the best tourist spots in Bataan, an outstanding heritage resort perched by the sea. The Balanga Festival. Balanga City, Bataan has the annual Banga Festival for a weekly celebration. The Tagalog word Banga, meaning pot, is supposed to be the inspiration of the name of the Bataan's capital city, Balanga. Every year, the people of Balanga gather for the Banga Festival, reflect on their engines, and appreciate how far they come. Tourist delicacies. Monte Bocopay, Bagaqueño, cashew nuts.
Province of Bulacan. Officially, the province of Bulacan is a province in the Philippines located in the central region. Its capital is the city of Malolos. Bulacan was established on August 15, 1578 and part of the Metro Luzon Urban Beltway Superregion. It has 569 barangay in 20 municipalities and 4 components. Tourist attractions. Malolos Cathedral. The Malolos Cathedral is famous for being declared the minor Basilica of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception by Pope John Paul II and its distinct role in Philippine history. Bacas River. The river is actually part of the Angat River and is located in Barangay Matiktik. It has become popular for both locals and travelers from afar because of its clear and clean waters that are perfect for swimming. Mount Balagbag. One of the mountains near Manila that have become popular for hikers is Mount Balagbag. If you're a beginner who wants to try Bulacan hiking, this mountain in San Jose del Monte is one of the best places to start. Chicharon Festival is celebrated every month of February in Santa Maria, Bulacan. Chicharon is a local snack made of dried province of Nueva Ecija. Officially, the province of Nueva Ecija is landlocked province in the Philippines located in the central Luzon region. Its capital is the city of Palayan, while Cabanatuan, its former capital, is the largest local government unit. Tourist attractions. Little Bigan. Deep in the heart of Gapa, Nueva Ecija lies a miniature park that will take you on a journey back in time. Meet Little Bigan, a pocket-sized version of the famous heritage town of Bigan in Ilocos Sur. This charming little park is complete with its own cobblestone streets, vintage lights, and traditionally houses. Take a stroll down memory lane and explore the many quaint shops and food booths. Be sure to try the delicious local cuisine. Whether you're a history buff or just looking for a unique experience, Little Bigan is sure to delight. Festivals of Nueva Ecija. Mais Festival. John the Baptist is the patron saint of the city and corn is the city's principal commodity. Therefore, they celebrate both festivals in June 24. Delicacies from Nueva Ecija. Tilapia ice cream, bangus spaghetti, and kakanin.
Province of Pampanga. Pampanga is a province in the Philippines northwest of Manila, named Filipino of the Cultural Dem Park. And Clark Freeport has 38 major national seas, administrator, Dinosaurius Room, and Dinosaurius Island. Millenary in the mountain trail lead to the stream of Miami Falls Southwest, Fortune West, and Fortune Lake, Fall Meat, and Pinatubo Volcano Stretch. Tourist attraction. Bacolor Manifest in the capital, Pampanga, a unit in the province west of the government and transferred to the night boring San Pedro in 1904. Moved and strengthened in the provincial capital to the San Pedro actually and began in the early in 1852 with an expediency from the Acolgid mayor. Festival of the Pampanga. The giant meeting in the festival also known as the Ligligan Paro in the annual event in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga in the Philippines. It is a beloved tradition that dates back the early in 90s and celebrate on the Saturday before in Simbang Gabi, which marked the start of the Christian season. The festival always to the offer noted and delicacies and dishes of the town of the people of Pampanga and inspire awareness on Kapampangan culinary tradition among the young generation and among those who have lived outside of the province for so long. Delicacies of Pampanga, sisig, kare-kare, province of Tarlac. Tarlac, officially of the province of Tarlac, is a land-coded province in the Philippines located in the central Luzon region in the capital in the city of Tarlac, and bounded on the north by the province of Pangasinan, Nueva Ecija on the east, Zambales on the west, and Pampanga in the south. Tourist attraction. Campus National Church. The Campus National Church in Barangay Aranguren, Capas, Tarlac, Philippines was built by the Philippines government as the memorial to allied soldier who died on Camp Tunet on the end of the Bataan Dead March during in the Second World War. Monastery Tarlac. The Monastery of the Tarlac in Catholic monastery on the top of mountain restriction part of the Zambales mountain range of the island of Luzon in the Philippines. It is a part of the Mount Restriction Eco Park in the Barangay Livigan, San Jose, Tarlac is house of preaching believed to be a fragment of the True Cross of Jesus, Festival of Tarlac, Malatarlac of Meeting Foot, a communication to the first people of the Belt celebration in this land. The festival takes the city of Stormwich Levy activities for the celebration of locusts of all age. Bitimismo of sa Tarlac. Ang bautismo ay taong-taong sinagawa ng Tarlac Heritage Foundation simula noong 27 dahil mahalagang bahagi ito ng kultura at lalawigan ng Tarlac na pinagurian ng bilang capital of the Philippines sa pamamagitan ng bilin of na itatapak ang mahalagang kwento ng Pasko dahil binubuo ito ng nakahiligan. Delicacies from Tarlac. Inuburan or Inulubian. Kopot Kapit. Province of Zambales. Zambales officially the province of Zambales in the province in the Philippines located in the Central Luzon region in the its capital is Ibawich located in the middle of the province Zambales in basically and agriculture province. The chief of product of rice and canned vegetable of major and industries include farming, fishing and mining. Tourist attraction. Instead in the Central Luzon region, the Philippines, you can choose from fun and Zambales activities like chilling and sandy beach and enjoying an intimate and camping experience, reading the waves, creating and volcano jumping in the unpredictable and playground and more. Mount Pinatubo. Mount Pinatubo is active volcano in the Zambales mountain located in the 3-point boundary of the Philippines province of Zambales, Tarlac of Pampanga, all in Central Luzon, on the northwest island of Luzon and very eruptive history was unknown to most before the pre-eruption volcanic activities in early 1999. Festival of Zambales. Dinamulag Festival. Dinamulag Festival, also known as the Zambales Mango Festival, an annual festival held in the province of Zambales in the Philippines of celebrate or encourage bountiful harvest of the province of mangoes. The festival was first held in 1999.